Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, let us solve some important questions from ICD Chapter 1, Certain Infectious and Parasitic Diseases. To study ICD guidelines and solve some more questions, you can check the playlist CPC Exam ICD 10 CM series in my channel. Let's start with the first question. Before that, don't forget to hit the like button, share this video and subscribe to my channel. This is the first question. Newly diagnosed multiple cutaneous Kaposi sarcoma lesions in previously diagnosed HIV disease. In the options, they have given Z21 C46.0, option B B20 C46.0, option C C46.0 Z21, and option D C46.0 B20. When you read the question, you can realize that Kaposi sarcoma is an HIV related condition. So, if a patient is admitted for HIV related condition, the principal diagnosis should be B20. Therefore, we have to code B20 first. In option B, the first code is B20. In other options, there is no B20 code listed first. So, we'll eliminate option A, C and D directly. The right answer will be option B. Highlight this guideline in your ICD manual. In option A, they have given Z21. Remember that Z21 cannot be used when HIV related conditions exist. Option C is also wrong, and in option D, the sequencing is wrong. HIV disease must be sequenced first. Next question. 50-year-old male HIV positive has fever and shortness of breath. He is diagnosed with pneumocystis, pneumonia due to AIDS. What are the required ICD codes? In option A, they have given B20, B59. In option B, B59, B20. Option C, Z21, B59. And option D, B59, Z21. In the question, they have given diagnosed with pneumocystis pneumonia due to AIDS. Right. So, it is HIV related condition. Therefore, we have to code B20 first. Therefore, the right answer will be option A, B20, which is for HIV disease. It should be coded first. And B59 is for pneumocystis pneumonia. Option B is wrong because they have given wrong sequencing. B20 should be listed first. And option C is wrong because Z21 is for asymptomatic HIV. Okay, so it is wrong. And option D is also wrong. You need to read and highlight all the chapter specific coding guidelines which is given in chapter 1, certain infectious and parasitic diseases. Below that, they have given how to code for HIV infections. Highlight them. It will be easy to solve the questions faster. Next question. What is the correct code for an HIV patient who has never been treated for an HIV related condition? So, what is the correct answer? The correct answer will be Z21, that is option B. Why? Because it is for asymptomatic HIV infection status. It is used when patient is HIV positive without symptoms or HIV related conditions. Okay. Why B20 is wrong? Because it is only used when HIV related conditions are present. Okay. And R75 is for inconclusive HIV. It is not for confirmed HIV, and Z11.4 is for screening for HIV. It is not for someone who is already known to be HIV positive. Make a note of this. Don't get confused and select B20. Remember, if a patient is HIV positive without symptoms or HIV related conditions, then we have to code Z21, asymptomatic HIV infection status. Okay. Next question. Code for ARDS, acute respiratory distress syndrome due to COVID-19. In the options, they have given J80U07.1. Check this code. J80 is for acute respiratory distress syndrome. Okay. And U07.1 is for COVID-19. In the question, they have given code for ARDS, which is due to COVID-19. The right answer will be option D, U07.1 followed by J80, because U07.1, that is COVID-19 code, must be used when COVID is the cause of another condition. So, in this case, U07.1 should be sequenced first because COVID is the cause of another condition, that is ARDS. This guideline is present in your ICD manual under COVID-19 infection. You can see they have given acute respiratory distress syndrome. For acute respiratory distress syndrome due to COVID-19, assign codes U07.1 and J80. Okay? Highlight this. Next question. When a patient has a blood test for HIV that is inconclusive, what ICD code should be assigned? Option A, Z21, option B, B20, option C, R75, and option D, Z11.4. Z21 is for asymptomatic human immunodeficiency virus. B20 is for HIV disease. R75 is for inconclusive laboratory evidence of human immunodeficiency virus. Therefore, for this question, the right answer is option C. Option D, Z11.4 is for encounter for screening for HIV. Okay, for this question, the right answer is option C.